What will happen if a native English speaker tries to attempt PTE? Well, I've done this experiment. Since repeat sentence is the most important and difficult task of PTE examination, I've requested one of my good friends, Hayden, to attempt 3 back-to-back repeat sentences while maintaining the clarity and fluency in the voice. Will he be able to secure 8? Let's figure it out.
Hello guys.
So are you ready for the challenge?
Yes,
you have
I
to
am.
attempt 3 repeat sentences back to back with utmost clarity
I'll
and
try my
fluency.
best.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
Most young people need a deposit before they can buy a house.
Most young people need a deposit before they can buy a house.
Good.
Nowadays, many people choose to be self-employed rather than to work for a company.
Nowadays, many people choose to be self-employed before they work for a company.
Beautiful. Yeah, good.
The prices of all products should be lower on the internet shopping sites.
The prices of all products should be lower before they go onto the internet sites.
All right. So out of 3, you've fumbled in the last one.
I did.
You fumbled in the
felt
last
that,
one.
Yeah.
So I'll give you 75 out of 90. Are you happy with the
I'll
score?
take that. Yeah.
Cheers, man.
Yeah.
Well, as we saw, even the native English speakers find it difficult to attempt repeat sentences with consistency. I scored Hayden 75 out of 90. What will you score him? Comment your answers below.